Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? I'm out here just doing a local hike in the rain. Just good to get out. Been kind of under the weather for a bit, but we'll go forth. So let's check it out. Well, we got the good old please clean your footwear before entering and leaving. Always do that. So you can kind of see it's just a little loop trail. It's not too bad. This is the Julius J. Knobeloch Nature Preserve. So one thing when you're hiking in the rain, always make sure that you've got proper attire. Rain jacket. I got a little Marmot precip here. It's not the best thing in the world. It's just a 2-layer, but it works. Fairly affordable. I have a nice REI Gore-Tex one somewhere. It disappeared. So go figure. But it's always good to have redundant gear just in case you lose one. You got a backup. Other option, you can use a poncho. You can use an umbrella. And it just kind of depends on the weather. Jackets are good if you need wind protection, and if it's cold it kind of helps keep your heat with you. But if it's like super humid out, real clammy, summertime, that's where it might be better off having just a regular umbrella. So you got options. Woohoo! Who's this beautiful forest fairy? What's your name? Kitty Meow Meow? The kitten of the forest? Which way shall we go, young lass? This way? To the left? Or the opposite way? Ooh, to the right. Spice bush. See the leaves? See the bush? Probably looks better in the spring. Look at how beautiful the fall colors are out here. A bunch of groves of yellow. And he was all yellow. Except I'm green.
Naughtiness.
Naughty, naughty, naughty. It's pretty cool. It'd be really neat with like a lathe. Get all that burl wood. Look at those patterns in that, man. This is awesome. Swirls. So here in the fall time, especially when it gets rainy, snowy, you definitely want to have good protective gear, just because this is a time of year that a lot of that hypothermia can happen. It can happen actually at 60 degrees as well, but when it dips down here in the 40s, and then next week it's supposed to get down in the 30s and 20s. Woohoo, hot tent weather. Definitely want to make sure you've got adequate protection so that you don't get wet, your gear doesn't get wet, and that you can successfully hike on through. And it also includes sweat management, which is something that most people don't think about. So if you overdress, or you got something that's too clammed up, and you got a backpack or something on your back and you're sweating, then your body's working to heat all that up. So make sure you dress appropriately, do layers. Like I say, if it's raining, definitely want to have either a rain jacket or a poncho or an umbrella or something, and you'll be good. Woohoo! What we got here?
Really tall.
Got a white oak. And that is a tall boy. And he keeps going and going and going to the stratosphere. To infinity and beyond! Woohoo! Looky here, got some pokeberries with that characteristic red stalk. They're all kind of dying down. It's good old pokeweed. It's something that if you boiled it up on the leaves, you could actually eat it, but you got to boil all the poisons out. But generally, you try to leave those alone.
Baby schnick.
Sycamore. You will join the dark side of the force, you knob. What do you think? Pizza time? I shall call this tree Kate Moss. Golly gee oh whiz, Batman, it's poison ivy! Oh wait.
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Heard its bark is worse than its bite. American basswood. Yeah, got you red-handed. Pig nut hickory. Those don't look like pig nuts. Hickory dickory dock. It's 12 o'clock and Cinderella ain't home. Whew, that is a tall boy. Look at all these guys. Especially over there. There's tons of them. All those puffballs. Woohoo! Yeah, you want to touch them, don't you? Puffies! Shagbark hickory. Right out there in the distance. That's another big one. Zoom in. You can see just how rough that bark is. Like it flakes off. My brother put a steer stand on one of those. Needless to say, it cut the straps. He came tumbling down. Shaggy! Zoinks! Shaggy. Shagbark. Oh where you at, my little precious kitty cat? She wandered off. Yay, I found my kitty cat. Kitty. So where'd my little kitty cat wander off to? Did you find a tasty mouse out here? Or we're using the litter box.
Watching birdies, of course.
Birdies! Birdies. Tasty treats. Hackberry. Celtus occidentalis. Woohoo! Berries. Not really. A plus B equals C plus D. Black cherry. That's a pretty respectable sized tree too. Ooh, buddy. There's a little bit of crimson up there amongst a sea of yellow. What do you think? Most of the red is all these sassafras leaves. So we got here, woohoo! Sassy sassafras. Oh, you're so sassy. Yes, you are. It's a beautiful tree. Don't see as many of those as you used to. I got that mitten or glove-shaped leaf. Wonderful roots. So you can turn into sarsaparilla. Delicious. The root beer flavor. And that's sassy sassafras, not to be confused with sassy Sasquatch. Northern red oak. Well, tell you what, I'm from the Union. I'm a northern red oak. I ain't one of them southern ones. Well, made it back to the hitching post. So what do you think so far of the hike?
Short hike.
Yeah.
In the rain.
Yeah. Just long enough to get a little bit of exercise, but not too long that you kind of sweat out. That's
It's a chilly day.
Yeah, that's the only problem when you zip up and stuff like this. You're in like a garbage bag essentially. And you'll start to sweat out. Well, got some signs of civilization coming out here close to the road. Back here at the signage. Need to wipe off any mud, grime. Well, not too much. Did you get any? Not too much. Oh, the stories this thing could tell. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, get notified of new content when it becomes available. I'll catch you all again in the outdoors. Happy Halloween. As always, thanks for watching.